My name is Maria Lourdes Palomares. People call me Deng, that's my nickname. And I am the manager and senior scientist of the Sea Around Us research initiative at the Institute for the Oceans and Fisheries at the University of British Columbia. Growing up under the martial law regime of Ferdinand Marcos, where freedom of thought and expression were summarily cancelled, I realized in that young and rebellious age that knowledge is freedom, and having it and making use of it builds capacity. Knowledge needs to be shared. Poverty creates an impenetrable wall to the acquisition of knowledge, and it begets ignorance. So, for example, in the Philippines, where the poorest of the poor actually live in the coastal areas, it would be difficult to convince people not to go out fishing. This is their source of food, cheap food, and their source of living. They will not understand people asking them to stop, for example, troll fishing, because this is their livelihood. This is how they survive. It becomes impossible to take collective action when food security and survival are at stake. We can reduce the barriers to collective action by respecting and making use of local knowledge. We should not repeat the experience of the 1980s and the early 1990s, where you have foreign experts coming to local communities and then leaving after the project is done. Local communities themselves, they need to take pride in their own efforts to save their coastal environments.